we're going to go to Stat, Edit, and we're going to put in these coordinates. So X values will go in L1, Y values will go in L2. So I'll do the first point here. Make sure to use this brackets minus symbol, otherwise the minus won't come out right. So that's X value on the first point, this is Y value on the first point, X value on the second point, Y value on the second point. Got 2 more to go, 0.05 and 4.18. And last point, which is to the right of the vertex or the maximum, 1.9 for X value. Your Y value is 4. Okay, you got these points in. Now you're going to go back to Stat, scroll over to Right Calc, and number 5 is Linear Regression, which will give you the quadratic equation. So pick number 5, hit Enter. So our X list is going to be all those L1 values we put in. Y list will be L2. That's all good. Now scroll down, hit Calculate. So now we have, this is the general equation of quadratic, and our values of A, B, C. So we're going to replace these, and we're going to see if it lines up in Desmos. So we're going to hit Y equals negative 0.0497. So I'm keeping a couple of extra decimals. X is just on the keyboard. And then to get the square, you got to hit this keyboard show keypad, and it's this button right here. So that's our AX squared. Now let's do the B. So plus 0.0266, 0.0266x. So that's this part right here. And then plus C, this is just a constant, so 4.14 plus 4.14. Just expand this. So yeah, it pretty much goes through and lines up with the helmet the whole way through. This is a perfect graph. Yeah, so 4 points did the trick. A couple to the left of the vertex, and I did 1 to the right. So what you're going to be able to do with your project is you can pick, for example, I'm just going to Google create famous bridges, hit images, so you could find any bridge where there's a nice parabola and it's kind of mostly straight on. I guess something like this would work. So you can save image as. I'm going to save it to the desktop. And then to get it into Desmos, you just need to hit this plus sign, and we're going to go add image. Now I just need to find that image. And we can put it wherever we like. Or better still, you just open up a new Desmos. Or you can just overwrite this one and just put your points in, do the same kind of process.